Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Biological efficiency depends on surface area to volume ratios, so let's find which cell eliminates waste fastest by diffusion. We will solve this biology puzzle right now. The efficiency of waste elimination in a cell is determined by how much surface area is available compared to its total volume. We need to find the highest ratio here. Higher ratios allow for more rapid exchange across the membrane. As cells grow larger, their volume increases much faster than their surface area, making them less efficient at moving waste. Calculating the surface area to volume ratio for each choice shows that the smallest cell has the largest relative surface. That makes option A our final winner for maximum efficiency. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush when comparing sizes. Trust the given data and check your steps carefully.